Good afternoon, Yellow Medicine East students and staff. This is Mr. Luft, your principal, with the final announcement for the 2019-20 school year here at the Hive. We miss you. Distance learning is coming to an end soon, and I have a presentation here to show you the steps that we need to take as we conclude this school year. As we end this period of distance learning, I am sharing with you the guidelines of how we will be getting back all ALL, ladies and gentlemen, of the school supplies that have been checked out to you these past 2 months. In this presentation, I'm going to be talking about the classroom inventory. That is the number of items, books, Chromebooks, calculators, art supplies, anything that has been given to you by a teacher needs to come on back to the building. Also, today, live, I have a deal for you. I'm going to share and update the qualifications for you to be done with distance learning for this school year. Also, we will be talking about the student checkout form that will be coming here from the middle school, high school office, and also how we are going to get everything back here in the Hive for inventory for this summer. No later than tomorrow morning at 8 a.m., your advisor is going to be emailing you out an Excel sheet that looks a lot like what I have here on the form. In here is a list of everything your teachers, based on their inventory, have checked out to you for this school year. Over here, you are going to see your current class schedule as well as the tech devices. You will see your teachers. In here, where it says your name here, take a guess. You are right. You will have your name here, your grade, your advisor, and over here you will see everything checked out to you, plus the value of that item if not returned here to the school building. Mr. Luft, that is all pretty and cool. This is Mr. T, but I heard you say that we can be done with distance learning. Can you tell me how? Mr. T, I would love to take this opportunity to tell everyone how they can be done with distance learning for Q4 and for the school year. Your advisors will be setting up a time with you this Friday. When I mean with you, that is with you and a parent, to cover the following. They will be looking over the list of inventory materials that need to be returned. Also, they will be going over a progress report of your grades and anything with an M or MI, that is missing assignments. A student who is in good standing will be finished if all students have passing grades in all classes and they have 3 or less missing assignments total. That's not 3 per period. That is a total of 3 or less missing assignments. If they are deemed in good standing, a parent has to agree that their child is done for the school year. Also, students who do not meet the requirements will continue through personalized support from teachers in the areas that they are struggling on May 26th through the end of the year on May 29th. These are students with 4 or more missing assignments and or currently failing 1 or more classes. Also, students who are not happy with their current grade in a class may contact directly with that teacher and we will work with you on a way to improve your grade in that class. How are you going to collect all that inventory that's out with our students right now? That is a great question. We have come up with a student checkout form for all students in grades 6 through 11. This form will be emailed through Google Classroom from Mr. Luft and the high school office. You will be getting an invite to a Google Classroom with the words grade, let's just say grade 7, the Hive end of the year checkout. In here, you will see this form that needs to be completed and returned no later than this Friday, May 22nd. Students will fill out the table below with your class schedule. All your classes per period will go in right here. Also, you will put your teacher in here. And over in this part, I need you to put all of the materials that you are going to return back in a garbage bag, a sealed plastic garbage bag, on the drop-off dates. Our drop-off dates will be May 26th from 3 to 6 for the middle school and May 27th from 3 to 6 at the high school, all at the main doors at Esplin Gymnasium. So if you have a book here, a calculator and a book here, your Chromebook here, anything that you have or will be returning needs to be entered into this area on the student checkout form. The second part of the form is going to outline the steps for your Chromebook. Every Chromebook has a number on the bottom. We need you to enter your Chromebook number here, if the carrying case is included, as well as with the charging cord. When we are asking for you to return your Chromebook case and charging cord, please put your Chromebook and charging cord inside the case, seal the case, and make sure the case on the outside has the identifiable tag with your name on it so we know whose Chromebook is coming back. All fines and fees that you will see will be emailed out on June 8th. Payments will be made to the Sting store on the website. Oh, Mr. Luft, this is Mr. T again. What happens if these materials are not returned? Well, Mr. T, we know that this will not happen, but we do have a safety plan in place. We are here to help you and work with you. Materials not returned according to teacher records, students will be issued a fine due to lost materials. The fine sheet will be emailed out to the end of the school year via email. Please make sure all materials are returned. If you have an extra classroom book or anything extra that you have borrowed from a teacher, now is the time to return it. So what is the process of how to return all the stuff to the Hive? Students in grades 6 through 11 will return the materials on the following dates. Grades 6 through 8, on Tuesday, May 26, from 3 to 6, you will return your items back to the Hive. Students in grades 9 through 11, on May 27th, you will then return your items back to the Hive during that time period. If you have students in both the middle school and high school, we are asking you to come to both dates just to make sure we have the inventory properly placed within their student grade. Where will we be doing this? We will be coming to the main doors of the gymnasium. All items must be securely placed in a new trash bag to be returned to the school. Place all items into the bag that need to be returned. Books, Chromebooks, calculators, and anything else that you have checked out from the school. Here, I am going to go over how the process of getting all of the vehicles in and out of the middle school and high school parking lot will look. We are asking all families to enter into the street right in front of Burt Rainey Elementary off of 7th Ave. Come up to the main gym, and out there you will see signs and tables of where items will be dropped off. Please have the items in the passenger side where we can securely pick them up and check them out for the school year. Once again, if you have any questions on this process, please feel free to contact the high school office.